Hi, today we are going to learn how to create a website using WordPress. Now, WordPress is a free content management system used by many large corporations around the world to manage their websites. And I'm going to show you a website that I have created using WordPress. This website will be a responsive website that can be displayed nicely on a mobile phone, a tablet, or a desktop computer. To demonstrate that, I'll shrink the screen to the size of a mobile phone. You will notice that the contents of the screen will flow seamlessly when I start to change the size of the screen. The menu changes into a different layout, and when you click on the menu, you will see the menu items inside. The page banner also shrinks according to the screen size. The feature icons are rearranged so that they are easy to read on a mobile screen. And if you have a tablet, the screen will be arranged in this way. And this way for desktop computer. Our website will have a customized logo, a homepage banner, 3 feature items icon, and a footer area. We'll learn how to create a page with embedded images and some text. And a photo gallery page where you can list all your photos. When your visitor clicks on the icon, the photo will be expanded so that they can have a closer look. Your visitor can move between pictures by clicking on this button or this button. This area is the right sidebar that appears on every pages on your website. We'll have a search bar that allows your visitors to type in a search term and look for pages that contains this search term on your website. We will also embed a Facebook like box that is linked to your Facebook page so that your visitor can click on like and follow you on Facebook. Further down, we will embed a Google AdSense advertisement box that allows you to make some money out of your website. We will also embed social sharing buttons over here so that your visitors can share this page with their friends on social media if they like this page. Followed by a video page where we embed a YouTube video on your web page. Let's click to play. Finally, we'll have a contact us page with a contact us form and a Google map on the right hand side. This is an active Google map. Your visitors can zoom in or zoom out. When they click on the send button, whatever they filled on this form will be emailed to you. Now I will go through with you what is required to build such a website. Firstly, you need to apply for a domain, and then you will subscribe to a hosting account and install WordPress, followed by creating the pages with some tools that I'm going to introduce to you, which are free. So let's get started now. Okay, now we'll create our hosting account with a domain subscription. You go to hostgator.com. That is hostgator.com. While in this website, we click on web hosting. As you can see, there are three types of hosting subscription being offered on hostgator.com: Hashlink plan, baby plan, and business plan. We do not require a business plan at the moment, maybe in future. So we look at Hashlink plan and baby plan. The difference is Hashlink plan allows only one single domain, and baby plan allows unlimited number of domains. For myself, I require multiple domains to be hosted in the same account, so I'll go for baby plan. You can actually go for Hashlink plan, as you can upgrade to a baby plan in future if you do so required anytime. If you notice, you can pay by every 3 years, 2 years, once a year, or every 6 months. While for myself, I will go for the monthly payment so that I do not have to come up with a high upfront cost. I select monthly, baby plan, and click on order now. Now we need to select our domain name. If you already own a domain, you can click here and enter your existing domain name here. Otherwise, just try a new domain name. I'll try flowershop.com. The system will check whether this domain is available. Oops, it says unavailable. What you can do is, you can try a different domain extension. For example, flowershop.net. I prefer a .com domain, so I'll stick with .com and try a different domain name. Yes, this domain is available. Let's proceed. For hosting plan, we have chosen this earlier on. Baby package, built on a monthly cycle. You need to enter a username and security PIN, which is required when you log into your hosting account later on. Then proceed to the next section, billing info. Enter your contact information in this area, and then select your payment type, whether by credit card or PayPal. I will enter my information off screen for personal privacy. Do yours now. You may pause this video while you complete your information, and when you are finished, just continue, scroll down to the next section. Right, for additional services, domain privacy protection. HostGator will try to protect your online identity so that nobody knows who owns this domain. I don't require this, so I uncheck this. Secure and accelerate your sites. I don't require this either, so I uncheck. Site backup. I'll do my own backup, so I uncheck this. And then SEO. I don't require this either, so leave it unchecked. In this section, you are required to fill in a coupon code. So replace Snappy with DL1 cents promo and click validate. As you can see, this will give you a good discount with only 1 cent for the first month hosting, and it comes with 24/7 free support, free account activation with 45 days of money back guarantee. So all in all, you're only paying $12.96 to get started. And then check this to indicate that you have read the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click Checkout Now to proceed. Okay, this is the thank you screen, and it indicates that you have completed your order. You have done your payments, and it says check your inbox for the welcome email. Let's proceed to check your email. You'll notice that you received 2 emails from HostGator. One is for your billing account. The other one is the hosting account. That is your cPanel. Let's take a look at the billing account. Now this area I have masked off for personal privacy. For your billing accounts, you will log in by your email address as well as this password. Keep this email, it is important. And then your cPanel accounts. Likewise, I have masked off this area for personal privacy. You can actually log in to your cPanel to manage your hosting accounts using your username over here and your password. If you are redirecting your existing domain to this HostGator hosting accounts, what you need to do is to log into your domain registrar and enter these two name servers as your DNS server so that your domain will be pointed to this hosting account. Let's see what we have done so far. Number 1, apply for a domain. We have done that. And number 2, subscribe to hosting. We have done it too. You will notice that these are the only two parts that requires payments. So in total, we only paid $12.96. This is all you need to get started building a website. Next, we will proceed to install WordPress. Click on this link now to log into your cPanel. Enter your username and password. Then click Login. This is your control panel. It can be also called cPanel. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and look for Software Services. Then click Quick Install. We are going to use WordPress for our website. So click WordPress and click Continue. Over here, you have the option of putting in a subfolder for your website. In this case, we do not require because we are going to install the website as the main domain. I will also disable auto upgrades because I do not want WordPress to upgrade itself, for the reason being we do not want any unexpected things to happen on your websites. Then enter your admin email. This is an important email address because any alerts or response from your website will be sent to this email address. And then your blog title. And admin user. You can use admin and first name and last name. Then click Install Now. Okay, now we have done the installation of WordPress on your website. Take note of the username and password. You might want to copy and save this somewhere. If you have subscribed to a new domain, the propagation of your DNS record might take up to 2 hours to be completed. So you might want to go for a coffee now and come back in a while. Hi, welcome back. By this moment, your domain name should be properly propagated and we can proceed to the WordPress login page by clicking on this link. You log in with admin and the password we'll copy from here. Now paste the password into the password field and then click Login. This is the WordPress dashboard. Let's take a look at your default website. Right-click on Visit Site. Open link in New tab. This will allow us to switch between the WordPress dashboard and your website easily so that we can configure and view our website more conveniently. Proceed to view the websites. This is the default layout of our WordPress website. Something very simple. So what we need to do now is to change the look and feel of your website so that it looks nicer. Let's go back to the dashboard. A new installation of WordPress usually comes with some sample blog posts, sample pages, as well as some plugins. What we'll do now is to delete all those posts, pages, and default plugins which we do not require for our websites. Click on Post, then click Trash to remove Hello World, which is a sample post. And then proceed to Pages. Click on Trash to remove sample page. Followed by proceed to Plugins. Plugins allow us to add additional features to WordPress. These are some of the default plugins which are installed in a fresh copy of WordPress. However, we do not require all these plugins for our websites. So what we can do now is to delete all of them. Click here to select all, and then in Bulk Actions, select Deactivate. Click Apply. Then select all the plugins again. Bulk Actions, click on Delete. Then click on Apply. Click Yes to confirm. In future, if you do require any of those plugins, you can always reinstall them. We will change the look and feel of our websites by installing a theme. Let's proceed to Appearance, then click on Themes. You can see that this particular theme is active, which means that our website is using this theme at the moment. The rest are themes which are installed for us during the WordPress installation. Click on Add New to install a new theme. Let's click on Search and type in Spacious. S-P-A-C-I-O-U-S. Right, this is the one, the new theme that we are going to install for our websites. Click on Install and click Activate. You can see that this theme becomes active now. You may change the theme of your website by going through this procedure again. However, at this moment, we will stick to this particular theme for the purpose of this tutorial. Now let's go to our website and have a look. Click Refresh. Nothing much at this moment. Let's go back to Dashboard. Now we will upload an image file for our website logo. WordPress stores all its images in the Media Library. We'll go to Media Library to upload the file. Click on Media Library and then click on Add New. Select the file. This one is our logo file. Click Open. Okay, it has been uploaded. Click on the logo image. The dimension of this logo image is much bigger than what we require for our website logo. What I'll do now is to make use of the built-in image editor of WordPress to reduce the size of this image. Click on Edit Image and then change the width to 250. You'll notice that the height has been changed for us automatically. Click on Scale. Now we close the editor. And then proceed to Appearance, Theme Options. Under Header, we have the logo selection. We click on Upload. Because we have already uploaded the file and edited it in the Media Library, you select Media Library and then select the logo image. Click Select. Then over here we click to show header logo only. Then scroll down and click Save Options. Let's proceed to our website and take a look again. Click Refresh. The logo has been uploaded. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now we will install plugins to add some features and tools to our website. Go to Plugins. Click Add New Click on Search and look for Page Builder, P-A-G-E-B-U-I-L-D-E-R, Page Builder, and press Enter. We'll install this one, Page Builder by Site Origin. Click Install Now. OK. Then click on Activate. Click Add New again. Click on Search and type in Widget Bundle, W-I-D-G-E-T-S-B-U-N-D-L-E. Site Origin Widgets Bundle. Click Install Now. OK. Activate. Click Add New again. Click on Search. Type in Black Studio TinyMCE, BLACK STUDIO TINYMCE. Oh, sorry, it is TINY. Black Studio TinyMCE. Install now. OK. Activate. Click Add New again. Search for Contact Form 7, CONTACT-FORM and numeric 7. Click Install. OK. Activate. And add one more. Easy Fancy Box, EASY-FANCY-BOX. Click Install Now. OK. Activate. OK, that's all we need for our website. We need to change some settings in our WordPress configuration. Let's click on Settings, General. For the tagline, we'll change it to Your Global Florist. And then we'll insert www into our website URL. You can leave it without www, but for my case, I'll prefer a www in the domain name. This is the email address that's going to receive any email alerts from your website, or any form submissions like the Contact Us form will be submitted to this email address. Disable this part so that not everybody can register. And then configure your time zone according to your location, and the date and time format according to your own preference. Click Save Changes. And then go to Settings and click on Discussion. Make sure that this item is checked, so that users must be registered and logged in to comment. Also check this item, so that comments must be manually approved. Then click on Save Changes. Next, we go to Settings, Media. Go to Fancy Box. Make sure you enable Fancy Box for images and any other items which you prefer. However, over here we will just enable Fancy Box for images. Under Behavior, we'll center Fancy Box on scrolling. Escape key will close the Fancy Box. And we'll also scale large images down to fit the browser viewport. And then click Save Changes. And this is the most important one, permalink. Make sure you select Post Name. This will configure your URL to something which is SEO friendly to improve your search engine ranking. And then click Save Changes. Now we'll change the background of our website. I'll introduce a website to you that contains 3 pictures that we can download. Let's open a new tab. Go to www.morguefile.com and then click on Free Photos. I'll look for some flowers pictures. This is the file that I want. Click Download Image. I'll save it as background background.jpg. Okay, it's done and we close this. The pictures contained in this website are mostly in very high resolution, so we need to reduce the size of our pictures. I'll introduce you to another website that allows us to do that. Let's open another new tab and go to apps.pixlr.com/editor. Okay, this is an online picture editor which is quite similar to Photoshop. Let's open the file that we just downloaded. Click Open Image from Computer and then select our picture. Click Open. I'll resize the image now. Click on Image, Image Size. You can see that it is actually 4000 pixels in width. I'll change that to 1920 because constraint proportion is selected, so the height is automatically resized for us. Click OK. Now we can save the image. Click File, Save. Background, OK. Background.jpg, save. We replace the image. OK, done. Let's go back to our dashboard. Go to Appearance, Theme Options. Let's change our layout to box layout with content width of 978. And then click Save Options. Then scroll down again. Need to replace background. Click here. And select our image file, background.jpg. Just to verify, the dimension is 1920. So open. And then click Upload. Then scroll down to the display options. Make sure it is position to center, no repeats, and then fix. So we save changes. Now let's take a look at our website. Click Refresh. You can see that the background has been changed. And the width of our page is also being changed. I'm going to insert a banner image on this area in the home page. Let's use back the same picture file as the background. But before we do that, we need to resize the picture so that it fits well into this area. And we will also overlay some text on the picture. Let's do it at the online photo editor. You double click on this lock icon to unlock this layer, and then go to Image, Canvas Size, change the width to 978, and then the height to 400. And then drag the image to the correct position. Let's zoom in. Then insert some text. Let's change the color to white. Click to insert text. I'll use the size of 30. OK. Insert one more line. Change the size to 16. Click OK. And then select the tool again. Drag the text to place. Select the title layer. Drag it. OK, we are done. Click File, Save. Change the name to banner. OK, banner.jpg. Save. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Then click on Theme Options. Click Slider. Click here to activate slider and upload our banner. Select Upload Files. Select our image file. Banner.jpg. Open. And then select. Scroll down a little bit. Remove this. Read More. This allows us to put a button on the banner image and then insert a link to another page or website. We do not need that button on our banner, so we remove it. Then scroll down and click Save Options. Let's go back to our website and click Refresh. The banner has been updated. Let's insert some pages into our website now. Go back to the dashboard. Go to Pages. Add New. Enter the page title into this box. Type About Us. And enter your text for the page over here. For convenience sake, I'll cut and paste some text into this area. You can also insert images into this page. Click on Add Media and Upload Files. Select Files. And click Insert into Page. If you click on the image, you can see that you are able to configure how the text flows around the image. For our case, I'll select this and then click Preview. This is how our page will look like. And this box over here allows your site visitors to leave a comment on your page. However, we do not want to allow this. So let's go back to the dashboard. And then click on the screen options at the top right hand corner. Click on Discussion. What it does over here is that when you click on this, it will open up this extra options area whereby you can disable the comments. And then click Preview again. You'll notice that the comments box is removed. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard and then click Publish. Okay, now the page has been published. And you notice that there's a link over here created for us, which is your domain name /about-us. It is actually derived from the title of your page. Next, I will show you how to create a photo gallery. Go to Pages. Just now we created About Us. Now we add a new page. Let's call it Roses. And then click Add Media. Select Create Gallery. Upload Files. Select your files. I have downloaded some files in my folder. I select all of them. Open. You'll notice that all those files that I just uploaded are selected. So I just click on Create New Gallery. And I want the pictures to be arranged in 3 columns. The link should be to the media file. And I can put a caption to each of these images. Click Insert Gallery and click Preview. There you are. When you click on each icon, the image will pop up in a window and you can scroll through. Let's go back to the dashboard and then click Publish. Go back to our pages. We've just created roses and I'll add one more. I'll call this Wildflowers. Add media, upload files, create gallery, select files, go to Wildflowers and select all, open. Then click on Create New Gallery, link to media file, 3 columns, insert gallery. Okay, and publish. Let's go back to pages again. Now we have created an About Us page and 2 photo galleries page. Next, I'll show you how we can embed YouTube video into our pages. Let's create a new page. Go to Add New. Call this VIDEO, video. Let's go over to YouTube. Before we do that, I'll close off some of these tabs which we do not require anymore. Now open a new tab and go to youtube.com. I'll look for flowers. Click on pause, then click on share. Embed. Click show more. This will allow you to configure your embedded player options. Disable show suggested videos when the video finishes, and disable show video title and player actions. You can even adjust the size of the video. Okay, when you are done, just copy this link, go back to our page editor, and then click on text. And paste. This will embed the video into our page. Go to Visual. Then type in some descriptions for this video. Let's click on Preview. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. And then click Publish. Now we'll learn how to create a Contact Us page. Go to Contact, click on Contact Forms. When we install the Contact Form 7 plugin, it has created a default Contact Us form. You can take a look at the code here. This default form is enough for most of us. However, if you do need to create a more customized form for your website, you can read up more about it in the documentation here. Just click on Docs. Let's go back to the contact forms. You just need to copy this short code. Right-click, copy. Then go back to Pages. We create a new page. We call this page Contact Us. Over here, we will make use of the Page Builder. Click on Page Builder. And then Add Row. By default, it splits into two columns, 50% by 50%. However, we will change the width to 45% on the left and 55% on the right. Click Insert. Then click on the left panel and Add Widget. Select Visual Editor. Click on Edit. Click on Text and then right-click and click Paste. Then click on Visual again. This is the code for our contact form. We will insert a new line and the instruction above the contact form. And then click Done. Then click on the right panel and Add Widget. We'll add a text widget here. Click Edit. In this area, we are going to insert the code for our Google Map. Let's head over to Google Map to retrieve the code. Open a new tab. Go to maps.google.com. Type your address in this search bar. Click on this little gear icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen and click Share or Embed Map. Select Embed Map. Click Customize Size. Change the size to 480 by 600 and then select the code and copy. Let's head back to our dashboard and paste the code here. Click Done. Then click on Preview. Oh, we forgot to remove this part of the screen. Let's go back to the dashboard. Move down the page. Select Layout, no sidebar, full width. Preview again. Yes, this is what we want. Here is the instruction for our Contact Us page, the form, and the Google Map on the right hand side, and the Send button. When your site visitor click on the Send button, an email will be sent to you. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard and click Publish. Now let's remove some of these steps that we do not require anymore. Then have a look at our websites. We will remove all these unwanted items over here on the right sidebar and then insert a Facebook like box. Let's go back to our dashboard. Click on Appearance, Widgets. You may remove all these items by dragging them to the left. And then we are going to insert a text box. we need to insert some codes over here. Let's head over to Facebook. Open a new tab. Google search for Facebook Lightbox. Look for this link at developers.facebook.com. This is a tool by Facebook itself that helps us to generate codes for the Lightbox. So if you have a business page on Facebook, you can replace this link with your business page. Change the width to 300 and the height to 400. You may change some of these options over here. For example, if you do not want the border, you can click this and the border will be gone. For our websites, we'll just use it as is and then click Get Code. Select the first box, right click and copy. Go back to our dashboard and paste it into the text box over here. And go back to the Facebook code. Select the second box, right click and copy. Go back to our dashboard, right click and paste. Then click Save. Now let's take a look at our website and click Refresh. Yes, we have the Facebook Lightbox over here. Now we'll insert some social sharing buttons so that when your visitor likes your page and decided that he would like to share this page with his friends, he can do that. Let's go back to our dashboard. Go to Plugins. Then click on Add New. And we'll search for Share button. We'll install this Share button by Add to Any. Click Install now. OK. And activate plugin. Go to Settings, Add to Any. We'll do a little bit of configuration for the share buttons. Click on Custom Size and enter 50 so that the button will appear big and nice on our page. By default, these are the share buttons. You can add or remove some of the buttons over here. For example, if you don't want Stumble Upon, click on it and it will be removed. Then scroll down. We'll place the buttons at the bottom of our posts and pages. Then click Save Changes. Have a look at our web page now. Click Refresh. These are the share buttons. Let's go back to the dashboard. Enable this universal button and click Save Changes. Go to your web page and click Refresh. You notice that there is one more additional button created over here. When your visitor mouse over it, you can share this page using other social websites which are not listed by default. And this works for all pages. For example, if you go to Wildflowers, the social buttons are there. About Us, the social sharing buttons are there too. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now we'll add some information at the footer of our pages. Go to Footer Sidebar 1 and then add a text widget. We'll call this Contact Number. Then select Automatically Add Paragraphs. This will format our paragraphs properly. Click Save. Close it. Then go to Footer Sidebar 2. Add another text widget. and enter the title address. Type in your address here. Same thing, automatically add paragraphs. Save, close, then click on footer sidebar 3 and add a text box. Call this operating hours. Automatically add paragraphs. Save, and then close it. Okay, we are done. Let's take a look at our website again. Click refresh. Scroll down further. This is what we have just entered: our contact number, address, and working hours. Now if you look at the menu, it is arranged in alphabetical order. However, this is not what we wanted. So let's go back to our dashboard and do some magic. Now go to Appearance, click on Menus. Let's create a new menu called Main Menu. Create. We'll add in all our pages. Contact Us, Videos, Wildflowers, Roses, and About Us at the menu. We also need to add a link to the home page. So we create a new link to our home page: www.lesflowershop.com, and the link text we put it as home. Then click Add to Menu. We also want to create a photo gallery menu. Just insert a hash sign over here to indicate that there's no contents for this menu item. And the link we put it as photo gallery. Add to menu. Okay, WordPress allows us to drag and drop to arrange the menus in the order that we want. For the first item, we want it to be home, followed by About Us, and then photo gallery. And in photo gallery, we will have roses. We drag it slightly to the right so that it goes as a sub-menu below photo gallery, and wallflowers also under photo gallery. Contact Us will be the last page. Then we select primary menu. Click Save Menu. Okay, now take a look at our website again. Click Refresh. Now you see the menu has been updated. Home page, About Us, Photo Gallery, with sub-menu of Roses and Wallflowers, Video, and Contact Us. Click on Home. Bring us back to the home page. We will need to tidy up the home page a little bit. So let's go back to our dashboard. Now click on Pages, Add New. We call this page Home, and then we are going to use the page builder again. Add row. We'll reduce the row to a single column. Insert, and then add widget. We'll add the site origin features widget and click Edit. Click Add. 2, 3. Add 3 times. And then for the first one, select the container color as red. an icon. We'll use this icon and change the title text to About Us. Enter some descriptions here. For the link text, we'll use click here, and the URL should be oblique about dash us. The second feature icon, we'll be using green color and use this icon. We'll link to video, enter some descriptions, click here for the link, and the URL will be oblique video. Now the third feature icon, select color, we put it as blue, use this icon, text is contact us, enter some short descriptions. The link will be click here, and the URL oblique contact dash us. You may change the size of the container if you like. So I can put in as 140. Features, put it as 3. And it'll be as a responsive layout. And we are done. Scroll down and then click No Sidebar Full Width and disable sharing buttons on the home page. Then click Updates. One more step. Go to Appearance, Customize, click on Static Front Page, and then click a static page. Select Home, then click Save and Publish. You can see that the changes are reflected here instantly. Close. Let's go back to our website and take a look. Click Refresh. Now this is our home page with the featured icons and a little bit of descriptions with the click here link. All these 3 click heres are active links. So for example, if we click on About Us, we'll go to About Us page. Let's go back, and if we click on Video, we'll go to the video page and Contact Us. Let's log out from WordPress and see how it looks like. Okay, this is how the actual website will look like without the top menu, without the edit links at the bottom of the pages. Okay, let's take a look at our checklist and make sure we did not miss out anything. So far, we have already applied for the domain and subscribed to our hosting. We have also installed WordPress and done some configuration. So this is done, and created some web pages and fully done up the website. So this is also done. Alright, we have completed all the steps. and our website is ready. We have come to the end of this presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Do visit my YouTube channel for more videos. Hope to see you again soon.